Hello, Escambia teachers. Have you been thinking about next year in Canvas and if you will be able to use the content you created this year? Well, the answer is yes. You will be able to import your content you created from one course to another within Canvas. But wait! Mastery Connect assessments that are embedded in your current course cannot be brought over to your new course without causing errors. Luckily, we have a quick and easy solution for you. That solution is to unlink your Mastery Tracker from your Canvas course. So when should you do this? You will do this at the end of the term date of the course once you have posted final grades in Focus. If you teach semester courses, you will do this at the end of each semester once you post final grades, and if you teach full year courses, you will do this at the end of the year. Let me show you how by introducing you to this week's Byte of Tech, Unlinking the Mastery Tracker. First, click on Manage Subject on the top left of your course. Then select the Mastery Tracker in the course navigation. Select the three vertical more dots at the top right of the tracker. Select Unlink Tracker. Then select Unlink Tracker and remove content. You'll notice the Unlink button turns red. Finally, select the Unlink red button. You'll see a successful message appear. After you have unlinked your tracker, you will see the missing Mastery Tracker Panda icon once you refresh your screen. You should notice the assessments will be removed from the Assignments tab, the Module List, and the Canvas Gradebook. Be sure to spot check that. If you need to go back to a tracker after you've unlinked it from Canvas, you can click on the Mastery Connect icon on the global navigation. Once there, select Trackers at the top of the screen. This will take you to your trackers. If you are the owner of the tracker, you will see them under Created tab. If you are added as a collaborator, then you will see them under the Collaborator tab. Once the trackers archive at the end of June, they will move to the Archive tab. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the Canvas Mastery Connect playbook for more helpful guides and videos utilizing Canvas and Mastery Connect. And fill out our content request form so we make videos that are just for you, because this is a Byte of Tech.